Hey everyone, once again, we're here with another room tour. We're at Great Wolf Lodge in Grapevine, Texas. And so we're gonna walk you through this family cabin suite. Super cool. We are really happy to stay here. As you walk in, just to the right is your regular bathtub and shower combination. Fresh towels that are there for you. And then also a few amenities, some lotions and some soaps down here. A hair dryer. And then you got a nice mirror here as well. And so just a standard, really nice bathroom there. You come out, and one of the highlights, which we've already seen so far, is the kids' cabin suite, which is really cool because it's like they have their own little area to hang out, which the kids are already loving it. You got 3 bunks, so you got the bed down here, bed here, and then also the top bunk there. The kids are already excited because they have their own TV and the characters, which are really cool, that goes throughout here as well. And it's cool because when you get up there, it's kind of this open area where you can look down into the rest of the room. So that's really cool, and the kids are already climbing up top and enjoying that. These little windows are pretty cool. They're having fun with that. So looking over into the little kitchenette area, you have your regular microwave, and then your little coffee and tea, the different types of coffees here. We had complimentary lemonade and water that they provided there for you, and then the thing that holds the ice. We brought some snacks and food to nibble on while we're here, but then a little sink as well. Then you got a nice chest here, which we've already put some Subway sandwiches that we're going to be having later and some drinks. Moving back by the door is kind of an open closet area, or complimentary complimentary wolf ears there. A little extra bedding, ironing board, just a standard deal. We've already settled in there. Man, it is really quite large room, a little place where you can put your stuff there or sit. They do have a safe in the room. Looks like you enter 4 digits, create your own deal there, and then you have a place where you can lock your stuff in. Then you got your queen bed here. I'll just look over here because a lot of people are always asking, can we plug in? They have the regular plugs and then also the USBs there. A couple lights on both sides. Love the cabin vibe in here, really cool. And I believe that's a pull-out bed, but if not, I'll put down there as well. Cool, you got the phone there. And then a little seating area with a really nice light area. Man, it's really spacious, I will say that. Got your little place where you can put some things, then your TV is right there. And what I love about this is this does have a balcony, which is incredible because that is our view. It's a rather large balcony. And then you got 2 chairs out there to sit, and then obviously in the summertime this would all be going on, but because we're in the winter it is closed. And then the airport is right there, DFW. You see the planes come over, which we love because we're av geeks as well. So this is best of both worlds. Dallas, just down here. But yeah, looking back in this room, super pleased and happy with it. And so yeah, we're excited to stay. We got some more content coming up. But if you've enjoyed this room review, hit that like, subscribe button, the notification bell for any time that we release new content. I will also put some links of some other reviews or some tours that we've done in the past. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time. Hey fellow adventurers, Benji here.
And Teeny, and our 3 amazing kids.
We absolutely love all things travel and cannot wait for our next adventure. As a family, we celebrate faith, family, and adventure. We realize not everybody can travel, but everybody can go on an adventure. Our purpose for this channel is to inspire and encourage everyone to live in each and every moment of life, because we are only here for a moment. We hope that you would join us on this great adventure. And by doing so, hitting that subscribe button so you'd be in the loop for any time we drop new content.